What is up, everybody? Today we are going to learn how to make yo-yos hoodie from Jet Set Radio. So here are the materials that you're going to need: masking tape, fabric paint, and brushes, a little cardboard to prevent the paint from bleeding, and a paint palette, as well as a Sharpie and a piece of paper. So that's what you're going to need. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is make a backwards E, which is basically the kanji for yo-yo in Japanese. So that's what I did, and I used a Sharpie on a piece of paper in order to get that shape. And then what you're going to want to do next is cut it out, and it will look something like this. This is just for the inside lettering rather than the outside, because I cut the inside over the outside. That's what you're going to need to do next. And then the third thing you're gonna want to do is put the fabric paint on a palette. Sorry if this one's dirty, but whatever. That's pretty much what I used for the paint. And then the next thing you want to do is use the masking tape to put the template on the shirt, and then put the cardboard in the shirt, in the hoodie. And then what you're gonna want to do next is paint over it. Now, as you're painting, it will look something like this so far. This is like the first layer of paint I put on. And then once you're done, just remove the stencil and it will look like this. And this is what you will have so far. And this is what basically I did. I just made a stencil, and then I kind of just painted through the stencil and over it. So what I did for this portion is I kind of freehand, I kind of not drew over it, but I kind of painted over the E, not over it, but outside. Like I did the outline, and then I kind of filled it in by just using the brush and the fabric paint. I used neon, apple green, and lime green for the Japanese kanji for yo-yo. And then the next step, well, I also freehanded this. And that's pretty much what I did to make yo-yo's hoodie. It's just, all it is a circle and a moon shape. That's really all it is. Pretty easy stuff, if you ask me. So there's that, and that's pretty much it for the tutorial on how to make yo-yo's hoodie. Here are the end results. Here's what the back looks like, and here's what the front looks like. Sorry for the bad picture quality, but that's what the front looks like. I'd say I did pretty good. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something from this, and I will see you guys later in the next video, and peace out. And also, don't forget to like, comment, favorite, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. And peace out and take care. And I hope you guys learn how to make yo-yo's hoodie from here.